Links are found in nearly all web pages. Links allow users to click their way from page to page. In real world, hyperlinks will be considered as roads. Roads connect you from one place to another. HTML hyperlinks navigate you from one document to another. The HTML tag defines a hyperlink. The most attribute of the A element is the ref attribute. It indicates the link's destination. The link text is the part that will be visible in the web page. Clicking on the visible link will send you to the destination of the specified URL address. The target attribute of the A tag also specifies where to open the URL. A target attribute can have self, blank, parent or top as values. Underscore self value opens the document in the same window as it was clicked. Target equals underscore blank opens the document in a new window or tab.